Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel The Truth of India. Today we are talking about the brand new launch of Vivo 500 5G. This phone is all about massive battery, rugged durability and smooth performance. If you are looking for a smartphone that lasts long, survives drops and still gives you premium experience, this video is for you. Let's dive right in. Vivo officially launched the Y500 in China on 2nd September 2025. It will go on sale from 5th September. The part of Vivo Y series which focus on providing powerful features at a mid-range price. But this one special, it is not just another mid-range phone, but it built like tank with next level durability. Let's check out the specification of this Vivo special Vivo Y 500. It offers you a display 6.77-inch AMOLED Full HD display with 120Hz refresh rate and HDR10 plus peak brightness up to 5000 nits. Durability triple certification IP68, IP69 and IP69 plus water and dust resistance can stay underwater up to 24 hours and 1.5 meter drop tested with ASGS certification. Design a diamond rock structure feels sturdy yet premium and is probably with the toughest phone Vivo has ever made. Imagine dropping it or even using it in heavy rain. It's built to handle it. Let's check out the processor. It's powered by MediaTek Dimensity 7300, 8 core up to 2.5 GHz, and RAM up to 12 GB and storage up to 512 GB. LPDDR4X RAM. And check out the camera power. Offers you dual rear camera, 50 MP main and 2 MP depth, and front camera 8 MP, while the high-end model will offer you 32 MP front camera. Yani, you can say it's a boon for selfie levels. Well, the camera set is pretty simple. The 50 MP main sensor does a decent job in good lighting. Don't expect flagship level phone, but for social media, casual photography, it is solid. Now come to battery power, which is powered by huge 8200 mAh battery and 90-watt fast charging, plus reverse wide charging act like a power bank. 16.7 hours of video playback at minus 220 degrees Celsius and 22-hour use in 40 degrees Celsius. This phone is the best when it comes to battery. Honestly, it's made for travelers, gamers, and anyone who has charging every single day. Let's check out the price of this device in China. It is available in China 1,399 yen to 1,999 in 4 variants. 8GB plus 128GB cost you 1,399 yen, 8GB plus 256GB variant 1,599, and 12GB plus 256GB variant 1,799, and 12GB for 512GB variant 1,099. And in India it will cost you between 15,000 to 25,000 and expected to launch in India by this festive season, Diwali or Durga Puja. What is the plus point of this cool device is giant 8200 mAh battery with 90-watt fast charging, super durability, once IP69 plus body and bright AMOLED 120Hz display, 5G connectivity and Dimensity 7300 performance. The minus point is camera setup, no ultra wide lens with heavy around 213 gram, and ability outside China might be delayed. So wrap it up, the Vivo 5G perfect for users who prioritize battery life and durability over fancy cameras. If you are an outdoor enthusiast and a heavy traveler, or just someone who hates charging, this could be next smartphone. What do you think? Would you buy Y500 or do you prefer other brands in the price range? Drop your thoughts in the comment. Don't forget like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss the next tech breakdown. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you so much.